here in spacemaker, I want to do a design that looks at getting the maximum amount of sun during the winter months. This here in the explore tool, what I've gone and done is gone to the input. I've left everything on the default. I put it onto site study, and I want to go to sun and maximize the amount of hours and the time of day. To get this to show up, by default it will show fixed. You go and click on varied, and we could probably even crank that up a little bit more just to make it a bit more interesting. We're setting it to the winter months, and I'll go and regenerate this here, and it will give me results which I can then take into the analysis tool. So I'm just going to let calc, and the ones up the top will show us the best results. And if we click on them, say this one for example, it'll bring up a little 3D view here, and I'm going to add that to a proposal list, and here it is in my proposals. Go back to design, and we'll see the AI generated building which has been done to give us the most amount of sun exposure on the site. So to test this, we can go to Analyze, and we're testing this one for the solar panels, the photovoltaics. So we can click on that, and this will take a very short amount of time to get done. We also have the settings here. So in the back end, you can start to look at the panel efficiency. So we could crank that up should we want to. Power output, roof coverage. Let's go for as much roof coverage as we can get. Panel angle will depend on where you are in the world, time of year, and then the azimuth, like in terms of the sun going over the building. So there's more information on that, and we could orientate 50% of the panels east and 50% of the panels west. So I'll save those changes, and we'll let that analyze. So here we have our results. You can see that we're getting quite a lot of kilowatts generated. So with these results, because we use the AI tool to maximize the amount of sunlight, we can see that we're generating a 189 or greater than 189 kilowatts per square meter. And you can look at the total kilowatts here. So here, maybe the lower levels are not getting as much. Here at the high levels, we're getting a bit more. So basic overview of the tool to look at photovoltaic locations, and here are the results.